Hello.
Yes.
Do you think it's possible to organize?
Yes.
Just let me know.
That's why I say I have.
Nine. Pinta kalita amta nale. Lagam mar.
We need to keep the cow safe. You know? Yes. Maybe it's cheaper to buy cow. This red one?
This one,
This one.
The wireman is standing. कितना करो वो
5 के प्रति
सेम प्राइस
Let's plan for
day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. Thank you so much. How to invite the cow to the boat?
I'm see the cow. I give some like chapati, some banana. He come the cow eating. Then boat. Me also the other side. Cow also feeling the very good.
Okay, it's important that cow feeling very good. With chapati.
Yeah.
In the mouth. Туман как надо. Обещано было в 7, все мы приплыли, я плачу поминутно за лодку, считай. 7:30. Хозяин коровы каждые 5 минут, когда ему звоню, говорит, что сейчас он придет. Уже прошло полчаса. Ни коровы, ни хозяина коровы, никого, короче, нет.
Oi.
ये वाला नैया वो वाले मंदिर के लगे ले
मंदिर वहाँ का चला गया मंदिर का चला.
Can we come close, a little bit closer? Here.
So today I am coming. Everything okay. You see.
Thank you.